Scene 1 hook screenshot root_shell.png. This machine gave me root access without brute force, and without guessing any passwords. Here's exactly how I did it. Scene 2 intro screenshot map_scan.png. Hello, I'm Captain Cyber. This is day 10 of my pentesting journey. Today, I worked on the Kenobi room on TryHackMe. Scene 3 recon screenshot map_scan.png. I started with an map scan to identify open ports and services. The results showed FTP, SSH, SMB, RPC, and NFS. This tells me the attack surface is broad. Scene 4 SMB enum screenshot smb_shares.png. Next, I enumerated SMB shares. I found an anonymous share that allowed access without credentials. Scene 5 SMB file screenshot log_txt.png. Inside the share, I discovered a file called log.txt. This file contained useful internal information. Scene 6 info discovery screenshot log_txt.png. From the log file, I learned that FTP was running on port 21. I also found a mount path /var. This suggested a possible link to NFS. Scene 7 NFS enum screenshot nfs_mount.png. I moved to NFS and checked available mounts. The /var directory was accessible. Scene 8 NFS mount screenshot nfs_mount.png. After mounting it locally, I gained visibility into the remote file system. This is a strong advantage during exploitation. Scene 9 FTP version a screenshot searchsploit.png. Next, I analyzed the FTP service. It was running ProFTPd version 1.3.5. Scene 10 exploit discovery screenshot searchsploit.png. This version is vulnerable to the mod_copy exploit. It allows file copying without authentication. Scene 11 FTP exploit screenshot ftp_cpfr.png. I used sitecpfr and sitecpto commands. This allowed me to copy the SSH private key. Scene 12 key retrieval screenshot mounted_key.png. I copied the key into the /var/tmp directory. Since I mounted /var, I could retrieve it locally. Scene 13 SSH access screenshot ssh_login.png. After setting permissions, I used the key to SSH into the system as Kenobi. Now I had initial access. Scene 14 user flag screenshot user_flag.png. I captured the user flag successfully. Scene 15 enumeration screenshot suid_find.png. Next, I searched for privilege escalation vectors. I found a SUID binary called /usr/bin/menu. Scene 16 analysis screenshot strings_output.png. Using strings, I saw it was calling curl without a full path. This is a misconfiguration. Scene 17 payload screenshot fake_curl.png. I created a fake curl script in the /tmp directory. This script simply spawns a shell. Scene 18 path hijack screenshot path_export.png. Then I modified the path variable to prioritize /tmp. This ensures my script is executed first. Scene 19 root access screenshot root_shell.png. When I ran the menu program again, it executed my script. This gave me a root shell. Scene 20 root flag screenshot root_flag.png. I captured the root flag successfully. Scene 21 automation screenshot python_script.png. To improve efficiency, I built a Python script. It automates SMB enumeration and file downloading. Scene 22 lessons screenshot root_shell.png. This attack worked by chaining multiple small weaknesses together. SMB exposed data. NFS gave access. FTP allowed file movement. Path manipulation led to root. Scene 23 OUTRO screenshot root_shell.png. This is day 10 of my journey. Follow along to see how I improve step by step. See you in the next one.